Hi guys, you have been using Windows 11 every day, but I guarantee you have never used this Windows 11 amazing features. Super useful Windows 11 feature that most people don't even know exists. It's called the title bar sec or arrow sec. With just a quick sec of a window, you can instantly minimize all other open apps and clear your workspace in seconds. It's a very tricky and that can make your desktop a lot cleaner and your workflow smoother. In this video, I will show you how it works, how to enable or disable it. Simply right click on your start button and choose settings. Here in settings, from the left side of menu settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side. Here scroll down and look for the option multitasking. Click on it. Here you will find title bar window sec. If you disable it, you can see you can't minimize all your open tab by secking. Now if you disable it, if you enable it, turn the toggle button on to enable title bar window sec, and you can see as soon as you sec your open files and folders, all other files and folders will be minimized to your taskbar. So go to your current files and folders or browser and just sec it, and you can see all other opened browser will minimize to your taskbar. How to view the full app list from the start button step by step so you can easily find any program on your PC. How to see all your installed apps from the start menu. If you want to see all the program files, you can see a small list of files you will see. Then if you want to see full app list from a start menu, press right click on start menu, and here just adjacent to your pinned app, click on a small arrow and choose all, and you can see all your installed apps will available here, and you can easily choose from here through a start menu. So simply click on, if you want to a small view, then choose back. Just like browser tabs, this feature lets you open multiple folders in a single window, making multitasking faster, cleaner and way more efficient. I will show you how to use tabs, all the keyboard shortcuts and a few hidden tricks you probably did not know about. So here are the process. You can see in previous, if you want to open folders, then multiple folders, it will minimize in taskbar. So now we will see how to open all these folders in one single folder under different tabs like a browser. Here are the process. Open File Explorer. Open any files and folders first and right click on it and choose open in tab. Now if you want to open another folder, simply right click on it and choose open in another tab, and you can see all files and folders in my Windows Explorer will open in a tab like a browser. So this is a very coolest and newest feature in Windows 11. You can use, very convenient. Open in new tab and you can see all your tabs will visible in a browser like feature. Have you ever noticed your computer randomly waking up in the middle of the night even when you are sure you put it to sleep? In this video I am going to show you exactly how to find out what woke your computer and how you can stop it from happening again. So here are the process. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, a pop-up window will appear, choose yes. Now in command prompt Windows, after blinking cursor, execute the command as shown on a screen. Power configuration, POWER CFG last wake. Don't forget to put dash in between power configuration and last wake and press enter. It will show wake history, wake source, type, fixed feature. In this result, power button, your computer wake up due to you press power button. So here you will easily find out reason how woke your computer.